friends, and welcome to a new episode of Melting in North Carolina. So if you have a Husky or similar brand toolbox like this, which are wonderful, we've used ours a lot, you might have the same problem we have. And the problem is all the latches were plastic and red, which was looking beautiful. But as you can see, there is no hatches anywhere. Hatches?
No, the latches, they came off and
Everywhere.
they broke. So all of the methods for keeping this closed and for being able to lift this, which gets really heavy when it's holding sockets and...
Right. And it lifts in sections.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
It's fantastic. We've loved using this, except that it's not very mobile anymore because we can't lock it up.
And as a result, we don't use it as much.
Right.
So today, we hope we have a solution. One of two things will happen. We either fix it, or we have to go and buy another one. Just the case, the tools are fine actually, right? We don't have any problem with the tools, but let's see which of the two things will happen. So we're going to use those little latches to hold it together. And they're not red, they're black, but I think it will work fine. And we have 6. We plan to use 2 on each side and 2 in the front, and that makes it 6, right?
Yeah.
And the next decision was, I would like to also bond it to the plastic, right? The screws might be enough, I don't know, but why not be safe, right?
Yeah.
And the next decision was, should we use E6000 or JB Weld? Both are products that I like. This takes, what was it, 24 hours to cure?
Yes.
And this takes 30 minutes. So we're going to go with the 30 minutes. So stick around. You are still our favorite viewer, and this is going to be an amazing episode or a failure. Change of plans. Upon reading the directions, we found out that our JB Weld is for wood, which says here wood weld, right? So unless we find in the soap another chemical that is fast, this will not work, right? So we're going to go with this, which is a Gorilla Clear Grip. And let's read it. What does it say? Bones?
Metal, glass, fabric, wood, ceramic, leather, paper, plastic, and more. Plastic!
And more. So this will work. So we start by putting the glue on top of on the back side, I guess, right?
Backside
The
of the
big
bracket.
piece, yeah, on the bracket piece. And I see those are adjustable brackets, so if you need to tighten it later, you can. And then this is a 2-person operation. We're going to use the drill, and we are going to okay, you want to put it down now? Most every tool company sells boxes like this, not only Husky, so this is not a dig on Husky, but the fix we show you here will work with virtually every toolbox that might have a similar problem. I cannot find you there again. For all brands, it's a matter of when, not if, the plastic latches will break. Again, this is far easier with 2 people, right? Maybe it's not even possible with 1 person. The fact that every company offers replacement latches like this indicates this is a widespread problem.
No.
Oh, no,
No.
that's the official. Professional DIY language. Oh, no. Very good. I think we need to open it and you don't want it. You see there is a screw here so you can adjust how tight it is. So we're going to do that 5 more times.
So we've gotten the 2 brackets on each side of the case. Those 2 are done, and we have taken the latch off just so these can finish curing without stress on them. And again, these are slightly adjustable. They do have some threads on them, so we can tighten them up if needed. So we've got all 4 of those installed, and is that the front? Is that the front? That's the front. Here's the front. We're going to put 2 up here on the front.
So we decided to do 2 in the front as well, because it had 2 in the past, right?
Yeah, it had 2 latches right here.
Again, it's amazing to me that they use plastic there. Like, closer, yeah, closer to the edge. Other than the broken latches, this toolbox has held up very well, and I do not wish to throw it away. Plus, even if I did, I cannot easily find a replacement that will fit all those tools neatly. And I know this is not the most exciting project in the universe, but there is a little tip and trick we have for you. Put a little pressure as you go. And the tip and trick is that you need to put it in the closed position before you put the glue and the latch part of the latch part of the latch mechanism.
Yeah.
The latch of the latch. And that way you don't have to do any measuring and mistakes, you know. Avoiding mistakes is a good thing, right?
Yeah. Whenever possible.
Alright, and the same way we'll do the other one. Hold on. The reason I'm opening them is so we make sure that there's not a dab of glue somewhere that might... So the original holders were just like this, but red. What I did
They
is...
match this.
Yeah. I just 3D printed them.
Okay.
And I cannot imagine, I don't know if you can come close here, I cannot imagine that this is stronger than the screws, you know, that's what broke, you know.
Right. Tiny little tabs.
So you could potentially 3D print it, I'm just not comfortable that this is, I mean it closes, it latches.
Probably fine to leave them there, but we have the extra layer of the new latches that we put on yesterday.
Now can I take it out?
We'll leave it on.
But I want to make sure that our system works.
Yeah, well, let's do it.
That looks more manly anyway. No?
Yeah, very manly.
You're making fun of me.
Yes, I am.
Now, the moment of fun truth. This is not holding anything. Ready? Here goes nothing.
Yeah?
I would call that a stress success.
Yep.
Stress success, right? See what I
Yep.
did there? So I think we fixed that. And I don't know if you want to show that, but there is a little hole in the plastic there that this little plastic tab goes. So I cannot
Yep.
imagine that is stronger than what we built.
Yeah. All right, second one installed. So now we've got both of the clips.
I still feel more comfortable with those. What
Oh,
do you
yeah.
think?
Yeah, I think obviously not everyone's going to have the 3D printer or be able to print those. That's just a luxury that you have.
But if you do, you can clearly 3D print them.
Yeah,
And I will put prices. They want $28 for 2.
to replace those.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the little things were $7 for 6.
Okay.
So I think I'll stick with those.
So a couple of options for you, you know.
Yeah, but I will consider this a success. That is the end for today. We hope you guys enjoy it. I wouldn't call it enjoyment for us because it was extremely, extremely hot. Other than that, they were not bad projects. It was just that the weather was horrible, right?
Right, but these are just things that have to be done around the house. Things that
And
have
that's why we did what we could inside.
Right.
From Professor DIY, Mrs. DIY, and Olpida, let's fix some stuff together.